Styrofoam cuts, feel it dirty, still let's spot that up, yo. Landed in the jet, took off on the charter bus, yo. 100K, funnel cake, count up all the funds, yo. With a pack, stack up all these bricks like weigh a ton, yo. Foreign double up, ceiling full of stars. Took it off the lot, almost damn near ready to come.
They cannot turn on with us, yeah. I gotta keep it a bud. She back ain't front, yeah. Nobody telling me none. They mad I won, yeah. I just got multiple sons. I don't know what they on, but I know they still turning me on, yeah. Got it easy, I know it like ABC. By design, I got it like CDG. Feel like 5 years movie, no DVD. I'm on Calabasas like DDG. I don't care what they do, cause I'm doing me. If you roll up my gas, better pass to me. Can I talk if you're not talking cash to me? When I step in the party, I tell him it cannot be dead. I just tell him it cannot be dead. Don't put in that work, then you cannot be fed. Still talking about money, put that on your head.
What it do, YouTube? It's bright and early right now. We're on the go. Finally time to move out of Orlando. But you know we got something in store for this one, so stay tuned and let's get on the road.
I put it here, right in the trousers. Let's go. I don't make a sound. I'm like a silencer. I'm running around. I got the Da Vinci. Chanel bed. On the top of your thighs. Speed it up.
What it do, YouTube, man's in the car. We're on our way to Aquatica, SeaWorld's water park. I'm excited, I'm ready. Let's go ahead and make our way there and not waste any time. Let's get it. SeaWorld.
For the gang, then drive it low. I put you on the dick right now, let me know. I'll let you take a chain and watch it then lay low. Hit 'em up for me, baby. Yeah. Snap clutch, you can get it, baby.
Man's made it to Aquatica. Let's go ahead and get inside.
If you drop it low, oh yeah. Fendi boots go up to your throat if you drop it low. She called it heat cause she was slurping on it like a pat of gold. Yeah. Ooh.
What it do, YouTube? After hustling and hollering, man's finally made it into Aquatica. We're about to go in the lazy river or something. Maybe check out the wave pool. Let's not waste no time and let's go ahead and get in some water. We got to do this before we catch our flight, so let's go ahead and go.
Remember we tried out the poach. Stuck in the hood and had nowhere to go.
Man's made it in the lazy river. I'm chilling, fam. Aquatica with it. Finally made it in. First thing we got to do is touch the lazy river. Yo, fam, I'm crying. Fam, it's cold. Yo. You can see that big tower behind me. That's the big water slide. I think we're gonna go through a cave right now. You can see that right here. Yo, you can see that. What animal is that, man? Let me know. Yo, free all the fish. Oh, yo, there he is again. Oh. Y'all seen the lazy river, YouTube? I think we're about to go check out the wave pool. Maybe I'm gonna surf on a wave. Surf's up, dude. Let's go ahead and get in that wave pool.
Higher than fall. They mad cause they never had no fun.
I'm gonna go in the wave pool after water slide time, fam. You know I couldn't pass up this. Fam! Yo, I'm in the dark, fam. Oh, yo, fam, in the dark again? Really? Yeah! Woo! Fam! Oh my gosh, yo! Yeah! Let me know what you thought of that, YouTube. You know I gotta go on the next one. You know that. Yo, here we go. Woo. Yo! Now that that's done, let's check out this wave pool, yo. In the wave pool with it at Aquatica. Let me know what you think. Is this the best wave pool you've ever been to, or is this a weak wave pool, a good wave pool? Let me know. Y'all be the judge of it. Got a nice little cove thing at the back there. Pretty sturdy. Oh no. Waves are about to start. It's about to be crazy. Yo, I'm really giving you behind the scenes of the wave pool at Aquatica. I'm gonna show you exactly what it's like. Yo, I'm getting splashed in the face. Yo! So what did you do? We went in the wave pool, went on some slides, did the lazy river. I think we're gonna go hit the lazy river one last time before we go ahead and head out. A nice little half day at Aquatica before our flight, before the mall. Let's go ahead and get to this lazy river. What? What it do, YouTube? That's gonna conclude Aquatica, our little half day at the water park before our flight. Pretty sturdy day, if I do say so myself. Really got to do it all. Lazy river, some slides, a little, you know, wave pool. Pretty sturdy. You can see it in the background there. Bro just went through the slide, but yeah, pretty sturdy, if I do say so myself. We're gonna head to the mall, and I'll pick it up when we get on our journey to the mall before our flight. Let's get it.
Niggas run the same clothes, fucking on the same hoes. Niggas still my lane goes.
What to do, YouTube? We made it to the mall. We're gonna do a little shopping. I'm gonna take you around with me. Let's go ahead and get into these stores and pick up what I gotta pick up.
Matte black, scat pack, brand new Gucci backpack. We get on your ass.
You see me, YouTube? We're on a time crunch. Our plane is about to, you know, touch down. We gotta get to the airport. I just bought a few things. About to get some food and then head to the airport. Let's get it.
Yeah, been out there like Affleck. I got in my bag, yeah. Let them niggas so mad. I just got some racks, yeah, and I just spend it so fast. How you don't want
What it do, YouTube, man? Secured the bag. About to go to the airport now. Let's make our way to the car and head to the airport and catch our flight back to Toronto, yo. Let's get it. Mans are excited to be back home.
I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my kingdom awaits, and they've forgiven my mistakes. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
YouTube, we made it past customs and the airport. Let's go ahead and find our gate and get on our way back to Toronto, yo.
Tell the world I'm coming.
YouTube, we're on the go looking for some water. I'm thirsty as hell. Mouth is dry. I feel like Sahara Desert. Let's go ahead and get some water. What to do, YouTube? It's midnight. Man's finally made it back to Toronto. Go ahead and get our bag and get back home. I'm tired as a donkey, so let's get back home.
Stuff on cuts, feeling dirty, still let's spot that up, yo. Landed in the jet, took off on the charter bus, yo. 100K, funnel cake, count up all the funds, yo. With a pack, stack up body bricks like way it
YouTube, we're back in Toronto, got our bags. We gotta take this Uber back to my crib. Mans are crying, late as hell. Took the latest flight out of the night. But, you know, that ain't gonna stop us. Wavy on an adventure. Let's go ahead and get back home.
Yo, foreign double up. ceiling full of stars. Took it out the lot, almost damn near ready to cry.
They cannot turn on what I say. I gotta keep it a boy. She back ain't front, yeah. Nobody telling me none. They mad I want.